So, hello English learners. Today we are going to talk one of the most important topic which I never talked. Okay, and this is a huge problem which most of the people are facing. And what is this? This is how to stop translating your head and think directly in English. Because we are doing one mistake and consistently we are doing this mistake and we are not avoiding to do this mistake. What is this? Like translating from our native language to English. If we are going to do this process, we are going to delay to just start speaking or to just initiate the conversation. So this is a problem which most of the English learners are facing, but no one is talking about it. So today we are going to talk about this problem, how to overcome from this problem, and this is the biggest problem which we are facing. Okay, so we don't have to like how to stop translating in your head and think directly in English. So the problem we all learned by English by translating in our language, in our native language. School taught us like this. Okay, but why do we translate? Why do we translate in our head? Why we are not translating from like directly in English? So let me explain first. Our brain is trained since childhood to think in our native language. School taught us grammar, translate, speak. School taught us grammar, translate, then speak. But fluent speakers do think, translate, and speak. But fluent speakers speak directly. What they are doing, think and speak directly. Like suppose if I have to speak any sentence, like okay, so today I'm recording the video and I'm telling you all these points which I'm also applying. So I didn't translate this sentence. I didn't translate. Just I speak directly. I thought like I have to speak about it and I directly speak. Okay, so fluent speakers, what they do, they think and they speak directly, which is a correct method which we have to apply. Like translation equal to delay plus confusion plus mistakes. If we are going to translate it, it is equal to delay, confusion, and mistakes. So main tips which I have, and I'm going to talk about all these tips like 3, 4, and 5 or 6 tips. 6 tips which I have, and we are going to talk all these about how to think in English directly. Okay, so the first tip, which is you start thinking in single English words. What we have to do, like we are thinking or we are translating from our native language to the English, so we don't have to do it. What we have to do, like start thinking in single English word. We have to think about the single English word first, like 2 minutes. Let's don't jump to sentence immediately. Don't jump to sentences immediately. What we have to do, like start small, like label things around you in English. Example: see a chair, say chair, not ye kursi. Don't say ye kursi, say chair. And practice for one day, like name every object you see in English. Like if you are the person who is doing anything, you are at home, you are able to watch lots of things. If you are going to the office, you are able to watch lots of things in the office there. If you are someone who is traveling, you are able to watch lots of things during traveling. So what we have to do, this is the first step which we have to apply. If you are going to apply the first step, then I am going to tell the second and third and the sixth step, which is most powerful if we are going to apply it. Okay, so the first thing we have, if we are able to see anything, we have to just articulate it in English. Like suppose if I'm able to watch the fan, I'm not going to say pankha, I'm going to fan. I'm going to say fan. Okay, this is a fan, this is a bulb, this is a mirror, this is a roof. Okay, there is a window out there, and just I'm recording my video and I'm talking with you all. So we have to just say everything in English. This is the first step. Okay, so the second step, talk to yourself in English. This is the second step, which is talk to yourself in English. Like your inner voice is your best teacher. Your inner voice is your best teacher. Narrate your day in English in your mind. Examples like मुझे भूख लगी. You don't have to say in Hindi like मुझे भूख लगी. Then translate, like directly think, I am feeling hungry. What should I eat? I am feeling hungry. मुझे भूख लगी है. What should I eat? मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए? क्या खाऊं? Okay, so you have to speak the sentences. First, we talk about the words, like whatever the things you are able to see, you are able to watch. You have to just articulate. You have to say in English. Like suppose this is a whiteboard. This is a wall. This is a chair. This is a table. This is a laptop. There are some books. There is charger. There is a marker. So all the words you have to say in English first. Then the second thing, which is like you have to speak the sentences. Suppose if you are sitting there and you are feeling like I'm feeling thirsty. मुझे थोड़ी प्यास लग रही because I'm speaking, so I'm feeling thirsty. If you don't have to say like Hindi, मुझे प्यास लगी. I'm feeling thirsty. I have to go outside. I need some air. I'm feeling suffocation. So you have to just make sentences. Okay, this was the second point. This was the second tip which we have to apply. And the third tip, which is stop using a bilingual dictionary. Okay, so stop using the bilingual dictionary. It means like bilingual dictionary translation habit. Bilingual dictionary equal to translation habit. So we don't have to use the bilingual dictionary. It means it is saying like you don't have to use the dictionary from Hindi to English. You have to use the dictionary from English to English. But in initial level, you are going to face lots of problems, lots of challenges, but you have to do it. Because if you are habitual with just saying the words, meaning in Urdu or Hindi or any other language, so you are not going to first understand in your earlier, like if you are going to start using. Okay, but you have to use for 1 month, 2 months, then it will come in our habit. Okay, so this is a third point, which is stop using a bilingual dictionary. It means two language dictionary we don't have to use. We have to use one language dictionary. Switch to English dictionary like Merriam dictionary, Webster dictionary or Oxford dictionary. Learn new words with their English meaning and examples. If we are going to learn any word and we are going to just see the meaning and with examples, this train your brain to stay in English. Okay, and the fourth point, which is think in images, not words. Like if we are going to think anything, we have to think in images, not word, because our mind remain images in our mind. Like when you see apple, don't think like say practice a red apple. Practice a red apple. So the picture of the picture of that object is going to remain in your head. Okay, correct English words directly to images feelings. Like this is how native speakers think. And practice watch English videos without subtitles, visualize the meanings. Okay, so this is the last thing, like watch English videos without subtitles. If you are beginner, I will suggest like you have to watch the English speeches. You can get lots of speeches on English speeches channel. So you have to first watch the videos with the subtitles. After that, you can just switch without subtitles. But in beginning, you have to use the subtitles. Okay. And the fifth tip, which is use English in your daily life. Okay, so if we are the person who is trying to speak English, who is trying to learn English, so we have to use in our daily life. Like change your full language to English. Like we are talking about the surrounding of the language. Like we have to surround, we have to create the environment, because we are most of the people are talking about the environment. We are not getting the environment, so how we can just speak? You have to create the environment. Like how we are going to create the environment? First, change your full language to English. I think it's natural. in every phone we keep our language in English. Write your to-do list in English. Yes, we have to write to-do list. Set English reminders and notes, and follow English social media accounts. Okay, so we have to follow English social media accounts. Set English reminders and notes, and surround yourself. Your brain will adapt. We have to surround ourselves with English everywhere. If we are going to do anything, we have to do in English. Okay, the tip 6, which is dream in English advance. Okay, dream in English, like before sleeping. Reply your day in English in your mind. Reply your day in English in your mind. Like if you are going to the bed, so before going to the bed, just keep your mobile phone aside and say, so okay, so I'm going to remind my whole day what I did today. In the morning, I wake up, then I freshen up myself, then I just get ready for the office, and I went to the office. Then I have work for 8 or 9 hours. Then I return to my home, and what I learned today to improve myself. I learn about spoken English, about grammars, about the anything else. So all the things you have to remind, like read or listen to English content before bed. We have to listen and read the English content before bed. Over time, you literally start dreaming in English. If you are going to date, you are going to dream in English. Think about it, dreaming in English. That's when you know you have made it. So we have to follow all these six pointers, and we are going to just improve ourselves. Okay, so common mistakes to avoid. Most people try to speak perfect English from day one. Don't focus on thinking first. Speaking will follow automatically. Don't fear mistakes. Fluency comes from frequency, not perfection. How? Fluency comes from frequency, not perfection. So let's take a recap, quick summarize of all 6 points. Like first, think think in single words first. First, single words. Then talk to yourself in English. The third, use English dictionary and think in image, not translation. Then use English in daily life. Then reply your day in English before sleep. So this was about our 6 pointers which we talk about. Okay, so if you got some value from this video, so just be connected with us. We are learning about spoken English, and we are talking about different things. And so just I'll suggest you, like, keep watching, keep growing, and keep learning. So thanks for today.